If you've got that ticking, knocking sound on the top end of your motor, this is more than likely where it's coming from. On your rocker, the bolt that goes through here, a lot of space. So what we're going to do is we're going to install rocker lockers, the sleeve that goes in, and I'll show you what it's like after. So all we're going to do is we're going to take the tapered end, which first shot, that's the tapered end. That's the only set it's going to fit in, and it's going to sit at a 3/8 inch up. You're going to put your bolt in. You're going to take the smooth side of the nut that's provided. You're going to thread it, and then you're just going to press it down. Okay, so this side has a locker that's been installed. And you can hear there's no rattle anymore, or very minimal. This side has no locker. You still hear that rattle. So clearly, rocker lockers are going to eliminate that.